I am going to demonstrate you how to draw the magnetic lines of force of a bar magnet. So, in order to draw the magnetic lines of force of a bar magnet, we need a bar magnet and we need 4 pins and a needle, then a pencil to draw, a scale, and the most important thing is the paper and a drawing board. So, before going to demonstrate you how to draw the lines of force, I want to give you some elementary idea about the earth magnetic field. So, to understand our earth magnetic field, we have to focus on this drawing. So, this is the diagram of our planet Earth, and this is the geographic north, this is the geographic south. As I told you that our earth has its own magnetic field. That means our earth also behave like a magnet. And I want to tell you one thing, that as the lines of force which are coming out from this earth are very similar to our bar magnet, that's why we imagine that a artificial bar magnet is situated at the core of the earth. But actually there is no such magnet kept inside the earth. Means if you go and dig the earth surface, you will not find any solid piece of bar magnet there. But we imagine that there is a bar magnet inside the earth core, because the lines of force coming out from this earth are very similar to our bar magnet. So this is very important thing to know before going to start the demonstration on tracing of magnetic lines of force of a bar magnet, because this plays very important role in aligning the magnetic compass. One important thing you have to notice here is if this is a magnet, bar magnet, imaginary magnet, and this is the south pole, this is the north pole, but this is geographic north pole of earth and this is geographic south pole of earth. So geographic north pole and magnetic north pole are not same. Magnetic north pole means it is the north pole of the magnet. Geographic north pole means it is the north pole of the planet earth. So you have to notice one important thing here is the geographic north pole is up. So the south pole of this magnet is pointing towards the up direction, that is towards the geographic north pole direction. Means the south pole of this magnet is pointing towards geographic north and the north pole of this magnet is pointing towards geographic south. Here magnet means I am telling about only a imaginary bar magnet. Imaginary, okay. So the lines of force we know in case of a magnet, any magnet, whatever it may be, whether it is earth magnet or bar magnet, the magnetic lines of force always originate from the north pole and end on the south pole. That's why here also the magnetic lines of force are coming out from the north pole and entering into the south pole. But in general, whenever we are saying about the lines of force direction, what we say, generally we say that the magnetic lines of force are coming from the geographic south pole to geographic north pole. It is same because I am saying in terms of the geographic south north pole. Okay. So this is all about the earth magnetic field. Now before going to start the demonstration about how to trace, I want to tell you that with the help of the pins and paper and drawing board, I have set this arrangement. So the first step we have to do is we have to draw a line in the middle of the paper. I have to draw a line in the middle of the paper. So I want to clarify that in this part of this video I am going to tell you that if I will put the bar magnet, the north pole of the bar magnet pointing towards geographic north of earth, then how the magnetic lines of force are going to come out. Okay, so for that arrangement, okay, remember the topic, aim of the experiment is to draw the lines of force of a bar magnet whose north pole is pointing towards geographic north. This is very important because if you allow the bar magnet bar magnet south pole to point towards the geographic north, then that will be a different diagram will come. So for the time being, I am only giving you the demonstration about if the north pole of the magnet will point towards the geographic north. Okay. So first of all, you have to keep this magnet at least 1 or 2 meter away from this board, because first we want to set this board in north-south direction. So now we don't need this magnet. We will keep this magnet a few distance away. Then we will take this needle. Make sure that this needle is working properly and moving freely. We will take this needle and we will put it in the mid of the paper. Then at the middle you have to see. Now I have put this magnetic needle, small magnetic needle. Generally the needle is made up of a magnetic material, but this is aluminum, this is non-magnetic. Okay, I will put this in the middle, and you see that the needle and this line will come in parallel. In such a fashion you have to rotate this drawing board. That means you have to rotate the drawing board in such a manner that this needle will come in parallel with this line. So now I am rotating this, and I will check whether this needle has come in parallel with the line or not. You can see. Zoom a bit. Zoom. See, this needle is now parallel with the line. So now our drawing board is facing towards north-south direction. So now our job is over. Now after this, you don't have to disturb this drawing board till the experiment is over. Unless and until you have drawn all the lines of force, you don't have to disturb this board. Once you disturb this board, the lines of force will come wrong. Okay. So now you have to take the bar magnet. You have to put in the middle of the paper. Here already in this magnet north and south is written, but we should not trust this. We should once check this out. If with the help of a needle, see, the south is attracting the north, that's why it is north, and similarly this is south. That means this is written correctly. I have cross checked it. Now we have to do a outline of this magnet. Why we are doing this outline? Because while performing the experiment, if at any moment the magnet is displaced, then you can again bring back to the same position by looking at the outline. Okay. And we also know that this is the north direction, so we will give the direction north, south, east, west. Okay. So now we will start the experiment. Any side you can choose. I am choosing this side to show you the lines of force. Start from any end. Put the magnetic needle at any corner of the magnet. I am choosing this side. So here is the tip of the needle. You have to put a mark here. Then again the tail of the needle should be kept under that mark, and you have to put another dot at the head of the needle. Then again you have to put another dot at the tail, and you have to mark the head end. Like this you have to fill the dots in the paper. Now after getting all the dots, you will join them with a smooth curve. Pause. So I have joined this curve. I have drawn another curve here. I want to show you another curve, how I am drawing it. Same procedure for all the positions. You have to take the different position and you have to mark it out, and then you have to join. You can see I have drawn 3 lines. So all the lines will come like that, and when I will completely draw all the lines, then it will look like this. You can see I have not taken much time to draw, so that you can directly come to the overall diagram of this lines of force. That after drawing all the lines, this will come like this, the diagram will come like this. And always keep it in mind that the magnetic lines of force will never intersect each other. If any place they intersect, that means you have placed the needle in a wrong position and draw the diagram. So be careful while doing that, and you will get the earth magnetic lines also. I want to tell you the earth magnetic lines. In case of earth magnetic lines, the lines of force will originate from the geographic south and will enter into the geographic north. But in case of the bar magnet, the lines of force will come out from the north and will enter into the south. So these are the earth magnetic lines, and this is the magnetic lines of the bar magnet. And after doing that, at certain point you will see that when you were doing all the lines of force, after a certain point you will see that the needle will show some random deflection at some point. Means at this point you will not see any the needle is showing in a particular direction. So there is a point where both the field, the earth magnetic field and the magnetic field of this bar magnet will cancel each other. So the needle will come to rest in any ordinary position, and we will locate it as a neutral point. As the aim was like you have to draw the lines of force and you have to finally locate the neutral point. So this is the neutral point. So this is the demonstration about how to draw the lines of force of a bar magnet whose north pole is pointing towards the geographic north. Now I am going to demonstrate you how to draw the lines of force of a bar magnet whose south pole is pointing towards geographic north. To do that, we have to first draw a line like this. Then you have to put a needle in the middle of the paper and allow the needle to be parallel with this line. You can see, zoom, you can see, zoom. This needle is parallel with this line, completely parallel with this line. You can see parallel with this line. So when you do this, that means your direction is already set. Then you have to put the direction. This is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. Now put the magnet. I am putting it little bit corner because you will understand later why. Because the neutral point is going to become somewhat here. So I am putting it here. But first you have to check. The south should point in the geographic north of the earth. So put it here. The south pole is pointing geographic north. Draw the outline of the magnet. Draw the outline. Now repeat the same procedure by putting the needle. You have to mark the points. Any position you can choose. There is no such that I am doing it so that you have to do. You can choose any position. You can see, following the same procedure, I have drawn 3 magnetic lines of force. Similarly, you can repeat this and you can draw many lines here and this side also. This side also. This side also. Then, in order to locate the neutral point, I will tell you how to. You have to take this needle along this line. After some time, the needle will show. See, the needle have shown some deflection. Let me repeat this once again. Slowly starting from here, I am again repeating this. Bring the needle, take this needle along this line and pause for 1 and 2 seconds to see whether this is showing some deflection or not. Then again I am taking this needle here to see whether this is showing some deflection or not. You can see here it has shown some deflection, means here it can be set in any arbitrary direction. Whenever I am giving a slight disturbance to it, it is changing its position. That means this is the neutral point, because here the earth magnetic field and the bar magnet's magnetic field both are equal and opposite, so they cancel each other out. So I want to show you the complete diagram of this, how it will look like after doing the complete figure. So after drawing all the lines of force for the south pointing towards geographic north, the complete diagram will look like this. So I hope you understand this. So this is the demonstration. Do not forget to write down the north and south pole and give the direction of the lines of force. This is very important step. Both the diagrams, in case of north pointing north and north pointing south, you have to give the direction to the magnetic field, and also you have to write the neutral point here. In this diagram, you are seeing a single neutral point on one side of the magnet, but if you draw the lines of force on both sides of the magnet on the paper, you will get two neutral points for each magnet, both in the case of north pointing north and north pointing south.